What to bring when trying on wedding gowns, and what not to bring. Are you able to visualize yourself as a bride? One of the most exciting aspects of wedding preparation is trying on wedding gowns, as this is the moment when many brides-to-be start to envision their future as newlyweds. And even though you're probably anxious, and perhaps a little excited, about trying on dresses, there are a few things you should be aware of before leaving to make the most of your special day. To help you say yes to the dress, we'll provide you with a list of what to wear, what to bring, and what to leave at home. Things you should know. Wear seamless underwear in a neutral hue that won't show through a white dress. Leave your bra at home or bring one without straps. Choose athleisure wear like jeans and a tee if you want an outfit that is comfortable and simple to take off. Put on slip-on or flat shoes that are simple to put on and take off. Bring a hair tie or clip so you may simulate an updo by putting your hair up. To make changing into and out of dresses easier, only bring the jewelry you plan to wear on the big day and leave the rest at home. 1. Nude-colored underwear. The attractiveness of each dress won't be diminished by revealing undergarments. There is surely a time and place for your favorite hot pink lace underwear, but it's not when you're looking for a wedding dress. Choose a pair of silky, attractive underwear that matches your skin tone as closely as possible. They won't be visible through the clothing in this way. Thongs are best, but seamless underwear also works. If you must wear a bra, either pack a strapless one or don't wear one at all. You probably won't need to wear a bra on your wedding day because the majority of wedding gowns are constructed with corsets or bustiers inside. Put on some shapewear in a nude tone if you need more support or smoothing. Although it's not necessary, many ladies find that it makes them feel more comfortable in their clothing. 2. Comfortable, easily removable clothes. Choose an outfit that is simple to change into and out of. You'll have to strip to your underwear to try on several gowns. Choose something easy to take off and comfy, such as athleisure clothing or jeans and a t-shirt, to save time in the changing rooms. Keep your cosmetics to a minimum when wearing them. While looking for your wedding dress, you don't want to have to worry about fixing your lipstick because trying on dresses while wearing a full face of makeup might get a little messy. 3. Slip-on shoes plus heels. Wear slip-on footwear, but bring your wedding heels. Your appearance in the dress will depend on how high your heels are. Even if you don't have to, put your heels in your purse so you can wear them with your dress. This can influence the adjustments you have made as well as how long you want your skirt and train to be. You haven't chosen your wedding heels yet? Simply carry a pair of heels that are around the same height as the ones you intend to wear. 4. Hair tie or clip. Bring an item to style your hair in an updo. Bring a hair tie, scrunchie, or claw clip if you know you'll wear your hair up on your wedding day so you can put it up in a bun. This will make it easier for you to picture how you'll appear on the big day, which may help you decide. It can be more convenient to change with your hair up sometimes, even if you plan to wear it down at your wedding, especially if you have long, luscious locks. 5. Camera. Take a few short pictures to remember later. Though bringing a camera is entirely optional, many upcoming brides recommend it. To compare your alternatives and make it easier for you to say yes to a dress, ask a member of your entourage to take some images using your phone or a camera. Just be careful not to unintentionally share the pictures with your future spouse. Not wanting to spoil the surprise. 6. Jewelry. Bring any jewelry you absolutely must wear to your wedding. You can leave regular jewelry at home if you don't intend to wear it. Have you ever tried putting on a lace dress while wearing heaps of jewelry? But bring it with you if you know you want to wear your grandmother's necklace or your favorite vintage hair clip so you can match it with your dress. Of course, your engagement ring can remain. 7. Supportive friends or family. Ask a select group of individuals their thoughts on the dresses. You can bring whatever many guests you like, but most upcoming brides bring 3 to 4 of their closest friends and family members. Whoever you decide to bring along, make sure they are considerate and supportive while sharing their thoughts with you. When it comes to choosing a wedding dress, your friends and family are more than welcome to provide their opinions. 8. Inspo Pics. Find some wedding dress inspiration online to help your stylist. The sheer amount of gowns at a wedding dress store may certainly be daunting when you first enter. So that you can respond to your stylist when they ask, "So, what kind of dress are you looking for?" Try to at least somewhat narrow down your style preferences. You can choose a wedding dress even if you don't have a specific one in mind by getting a basic notion of the shape: mermaid, A-line, princess, and color: truly white, off-white, cream. Utilize Pinterest to compile all of your ideas in one place. Also, consider the season in which your wedding will take place. For instance, picking a wedding dress for the winter may differ from picking one for the summer.